how to change the default shutdown option in Alt plus F4 dialog box in your Windows device. Hello guys, this is Atticus from App Hacks, and in today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can change the default shutdown in your registry. So let's get started. So the first thing you'll want to do is open up your regedit, go to your search bar and search for registry editor. And after you open it up, this is what it should look like. So here you need to expand on HKey current user. You will need to expand on your software. So after you expand on your software, scroll down, and after you scroll down, search for Microsoft right here. Now searching for your specific file is really easy, as all of these are in alphabetical order. So just search for Microsoft and expand on it. So this is expanded right here. And after you expand for it, you need to scroll down till you find Windows. So expand on Windows like this, and now scroll down again till you find Explorer. So after you are on Explorer, just tap on this Advanced, and after you go to Advanced, you need to right click on this file right here and type on New. Now here you'll need to create a dword value, tap on it. Now you will need to name it. So what you need to name it is, so you will need to name it Start Power Button Action. So name it like this and hit enter. Now double tap on it and change its value to 4. Now after you do so, hit on OK, and after you hit on OK, you'll need to just restart your computer, and after you do that, you will have just changed your default shutdown. So yeah, that is basically it guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.